When your siding fails, it's much more costly than just the siding. Siding's purpose is to block the wind, rain, and hail from penetrating into your house. Underneath this is a house wrap. That's really what prevents the water and wood rot damage that causes so many siding products to fail. Actually, when you see the water damage coming back through your siding, it's too late. Water comes from the inside out, so by the time it actually is visual, it's too late. It's already soaked through all the layers of the siding. That's why it's important to choose the right contractor, because what you don't see is the house wrap, the tape, and the caulk and the preparation behind the outer shell. That's the important part to prevent siding damage.